Welcome to AutoRadar, your number one destination for the latest, the boldest, and the most luxurious rides the auto world has to offer. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into a car that defines true automotive opulence, the 2025 Mercedes Maybach. Mercedes has always been a symbol of prestige, but when you step into the world of Maybach, you're entering an entirely different league. The 2025 Mercedes Maybach isn't just a car, it's a statement, a rolling palace, and a testament to what happens when German engineering meets pure luxury. Starting with the design, the 2025 Maybach doesn't scream for attention, it commands it quietly. Up front, it features the signature Maybach grille with its vertical chrome slats, giving it a grand and dignified appearance. The headlights are digital LED units, not only providing futuristic styling but also the smartest lighting on the road. The sleek body lines, chrome accents, and that unmistakable two-tone paint option make it clear, this is a car meant for those who've made it. The wheels are equally majestic, with 21 or even 22-inch options that perfectly complement its massive stance. Even the door handles are flush and electronic, offering both elegance and aerodynamics. Step inside, and you'll understand why the Maybach is in a class of its own. The cabin is wrapped in the finest Napa leather, with open-pore wood trim, aluminum accents, and ambient lighting that feels like you've entered a five-star hotel suite. But it's not just about looks, it's about how you feel. The rear seats, reclining executive lounges with massage, heating, ventilation, and memory functions. There's even an optional refrigerator and silver-plated champagne flutes. You don't sit in the Maybach, you are hosted by it. Up front, the driver isn't left out either. The cockpit is futuristic yet regal. The massive MBUX hyperscreen stretches across the dashboard, integrating digital displays and infotainment into one seamless interface. The AI-powered voice assistant can control everything from navigation to the mood lighting, simply by saying, "Hey Mercedes." Under the hood, the 2025 Mercedes Maybach comes with serious power. The standard version is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged version 8, delivering around 550 horsepower, while the range-topping S680 variant boasts a monstrous 6.0-liter V12 engine, pushing out an impressive 621 horsepower. It glides rather than drives, with the 9-speed automatic transmission and 4MATIC all-wheel drive ensuring smooth and confident performance. What's even more impressive is how silent and comfortable the ride is. With adaptive air suspension, active noise cancellation, and advanced driver assistance systems, the Maybach makes every journey feel like you're floating on a cloud. Mercedes has also brought in a new level of tech integration with the 2025 model. There's biometric authentication, so the car knows who's driving and automatically adjusts settings. The augmented reality navigation system makes city driving effortless, and the advanced Level 2 semi-autonomous features mean your Maybach can practically drive itself on the highway. And let's not forget the sound system. The Burmester 4D surround system turns your cabin into a concert hall, with speakers even in the seats to give you vibrations you can feel. Safety is, of course, top-notch. With features like pre-safe impulse side, attention assist, evasive steering assist, and the latest in automatic emergency braking, Mercedes ensures that this luxury tank keeps you safe in all conditions. Starting price for the 2025 Mercedes Maybach S580 begins around $200,000, while the flagship S680 pushes well past $250,000 depending on customization. But when you buy a Maybach, you're not just buying a car. You're investing in experience, exclusivity, and excellence. So who is the 2025 Mercedes Maybach for? It's for those who don't just want luxury, they want the best of the best. Whether you're being chauffeured in the back or taking the wheel yourself, the Maybach offers an unmatched blend of power, prestige, and pampering. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Mercedes Maybach. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your fellow car lovers. And if you haven't already, subscribe to AutoRadar for more exclusive looks into the world's finest machines. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.